I got a question the other day from a reader of Niche Site Project. They laid out this scenario. I have an Amazon affiliate niche site. I have about 300 posts on the site, and about 250 of those are affiliate reviews. What should I do? Is that too many affiliate reviews compared to informational content? I'm Doug Cunnington, founder of Niche Site Project. I talk about Amazon affiliate marketing and project management. If you're interested in that stuff, have a look at some of the other videos around here. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. All right, so back to this question. What does that person need to do? Basically, they have a crap load of just affiliate content and they're wondering, should they do anything about it? Now, why are they even asking this question? Well, number one, I'll just say it straight out. I usually recommend people have at least 50% informational or how-to content, and that is based on the keyword and sort of the intent of the searcher. So when we think about buyers keywords, usually it's best and then the product name, or the product name with review afterwards, or something like that. It's something very related to doing research on a product before you buy it. That's the whole idea. So those are our buyers keywords, and this person has like 250 of those versus just 50 of the informational content. The informational content is more like how to do something, or again, just purely informational, something helpful related to the niche or the products or something like that, but not a review. It's not driven by a purchasing keyword. That's the difference. So why is this person even asking? Number one, Google doesn't like sites that have too much affiliate content. A lot of times they'll call this sort of like thin content, where it's like too much just advertising. It's too much content oriented towards advertising without providing a whole lot of value. Now they call it thin content, and the fact is it doesn't mean it's short or not good or not thorough. It means the content is thin in the definition or eyes of Google. And I'll put a link to those guidelines so you can read it for yourself straight from Google and the Webmaster Guidelines. The second reason the person's asking is, they may not even know this, but Amazon doesn't want your site to be like purely advertising, right? They don't want it to be all product reviews. They would prefer, for example, that maybe you have like a lifestyle blog where you talk about travel and you talk about your kids and you write about just normal stuff, and it's truly a blog, and every now and then you mention a product that you use. That's kind of the ideal situation because you have a fan base. They're following you, right? That's what you want. Now, you don't have to have like a pure blog like that, but the fact is if you have informational and or how-to content, that's a good thing. That's why I mentioned the 50% at least on your site. The third reason is a little more personal. So when I go and I search for product information too. So when I search for, best ballpoint pen for journaling, and I land on a site that looks like they're actually into journaling, and there's information about journaling and there's pictures about journaling and all that stuff, I'm like, hey, I kind of trust this. Versus, let's say I land on a site and there are tons of affiliate links and there's only like affiliate oriented content, I'm probably not going to trust it as much. And I'm knowledgeable about Amazon affiliate sites. So I know if I click the link, they get a commission. I'm probably going to go out of my way to like not give them a commission and prefer to, give that commission to a person who's actually into ballpoint pens and journaling or whatever I'm researching at the time. So the point is, I trust the site a little bit more if they don't have so much affiliate content. Before we go on and I give like the advice to the person and what they should do as an action plan, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think the right ratio of informational to affiliate content is, or if you're in a situation where you need to do something. Let me know. I'm just curious because everyone has a different sort of distribution of content on their site. Here's what I recommend for that reader. You should most likely publish a bunch of new content so that you're closer to that 50-50 range. It doesn't have to be exact. And as long as you're like publishing and moving in the right direction to more informational content as a whole on your website, that's a good thing. And I would start immediately. If you have that much content on your site, 300 posts, I expect you're probably making good money. And if you add more content to your site, and if you use something like the keyword golden ratio, and if you're not familiar with it, it's a data-driven way to find keywords that you can rank for that are underserved on the internet, and you probably don't even need any backlinks. If you could find keyword golden ratio terms that are also how-to content and informational, well, that is a great thing because you're probably going to get more traffic to your site in general and get a little bit more love from Google. That's a good thing, right? You can, run ads on those pages. You can make those pages profitable for you. So overall, if you are, out of line, if you have too much affiliate content, too many affiliate reviews, I highly, highly recommend that you go ahead and take action, start publishing more informational content, sort of true it up to that 50-50 point. You're probably gonna get more traffic. It's probably gonna be a good thing for your site anyway, and you'll lower the risk of pissing off Google for having too much affiliate content or pissing off Amazon for having too much affiliate content. I'm Doug Cunnington. Have a look at some of the other videos on my channel if you're new, and please consider subscribing if you like what you see. Thanks.